Hello and welcome back to Code with Ro. I'm Ro, and let's dive into lesson 3 of our Ultimate HTML course for 2024. In this lesson, we're going to be exploring the world of lists in HTML. Lists are a fundamental part of web design, used for everything from creating menus to organizing content. Let's get started. HTML provides us with three main types of lists: unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. Let's begin with unordered lists. So here, I'm going to clear out everything between my body tag, and I'll start with a heading 2 for our subsection called My Favorite Fruits. And then in the next line, after I close my heading 2 tag, I'll create a UL, which stands for unordered list. And now I'm going to put in 3 items in this list: apple, banana, and cherry. But I can't just type it out. I have to put them each in an li tag, which is also list item tag, to let HTML know that this is its own item. So I'll do open tag, li, apple, and then a closing tag for the li. And then I'll add banana in the li open tag and closing tag. And then the same thing with cherry. And then I'll close this list off by doing /ul, which is my closing tag for my unordered list. We've created a simple unordered list using the UL tag, which stands for unordered list. Each item within the list is wrapped with an li tag, which stands for list item, in an unordered list. So they'll be displayed with bullet points, as you can see on the right side here. Now let's take a look at ordered lists, which are great for creating numbered lists or rankings. So in the next subsection, I'll create a heading 2 that says steps to make a sandwich. And instead of UL, I will do open tag OL. And then in my list tags, I'll add a few steps. So get some bread, add your favorite fillings, put the 2 slices of bread together, and let's just keep it simple like that. And then we'll close off the OL tag. So for ordered list, you can see that we use OL tags, which stands for ordered list. Each item is still marked with an li tag. The difference is now that the items are numbered automatically by the browser, and the browser knows that it's an item because of the amount of li tags we use. Finally, let's talk about definition list. These are a bit different and are used to present terms and their definitions. So I'll make another subsection tag for h2, and I'll call this HTML tags. And then, just like unordered list starting with UL and ordered list starting with OL, this one is a definition list and it will be a DL tag. So I'll do open DL, and let's do DT tags. So in a definition list, we use the DL tag for the list itself, and then the DT tag for the term being defined, and DD for the definition. This structure is perfect for glossaries or explaining key concepts. So on the right side here, you'll see the term UL, which I put in strong also to kind of emphasize the boldness of it. And then it will show the definition next to it that says defines an unordered list for the UL. And then for the OL, I put in the term in the DT tag. I put in the term in the DD tag for the definition, defines an ordered list. Let me start that over for the tags. So as you can see on the right side of my screen, you can see the subsection that says HTML tags. And then I open the list with the DL tag, and the UL is in a DT tag and a strong tag to emphasize the boldness. And then the DD tag, which is for the definition, it says defines an unordered list. And then DT, which is for the term being defined, it says OL and LI. And that's how you use lists in HTML. As you can see, lists are incredibly versatile and an essential part of structuring your web content. Time for our coding challenge. Pause the video here, take your time, no rush. And when you're ready, come back and we'll go over the solution together. Let's go over the solution together. First, we have the h1 tag that says your name. And then we have a subheader, or an h2 tag that says your profession. And then in our paragraph tag, we have a strong that says main skills, and the em tag that says important achievements. No worries if you put this in the I tag for italicizing. And then an h3, which is the header for our list. First, we have an ordered list that says first goal, second goal, and third goal, which are also listed in the li tag. And then another h3 that says hobbies and interests, which is in an unordered list, as you can tell from the bullet points, that says first hobby, second hobby, and third hobby. And that's the end of our challenge. In our next lesson, we'll dive into another crucial element of HTML. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to keep following for more tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.